How to log in on TikTok without phone number. Now, just because you have linked a phone number doesn't necessarily mean that you will always require a phone number unless you turn on two-factor authentication. Go to the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Here you can see if you don't want to use your phone number, and luckily if you had linked your TikTok account with your Facebook, Google, Twitter or Instagram, you can also directly log in using those. Or you can go to use phone, email or username, and obviously since you don't want to enter your phone number for some reason, you can obviously also just try to log in with your email or your username depending upon what is more comfortable for you, and tap the continue button. Then enter your password and tap on the login option to log in without your phone number. It might ask you for phone number for two-step verification, but if you have done that, you can tap on forgot password and you can try to reset your TikTok password if you happen to forget it. Phone number is not always compulsory. If you have luckily linked your TikTok account with other social media, that's perfectly fine. If not, you can also log in using your email or username and password. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.